Hey folks, so you want to install LED turn signals or brake lights. I'm not really going to go over how to do these. I mean, that's fairly straightforward. You want to do this one, probably undo these two screws, or this one, you go through the hood. That's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about the fact that once you do this, I'll show you what I got in my case. I put in, instead of incandescent bulbs, I put these LED lights here in the back. What happens is, you then try to do your turn signal, doesn't flash, just stays on. I have a solution for you. So if you look down here, you have two relays which govern your turn signals and your hazard lights. Let's pull the one that governs the turn signals. The way these used to work is they had a bimetallic strip or something similar in here which heats up when you apply current to it. When the bimetallic strip heats up, it pops open and then closes back down. The problem with LEDs is they don't draw nearly as much current as do traditional incandescent bulbs. So you are never heating up the bimetallic strip or coil or whatever is in here enough for it to actually deform. Enter 2018. We've got, what I bought is this Novita flasher, LL552. These work both for your hazard lights and your turn signals. And these are great because they work with either all LEDs, all incandescents, or even a mix. This thing doesn't care, so that tells me it's probably some kind of solid-state circuit in here that isn't dependent on the amount of current you give it. So, just pop that bad boy in. It's about $8 at the car parts store. No problem. And like I said, the one for the hazards is up there in the top left. Now, turn that stock. Looks like we're blinking. Yes, yes, yes. Blinking. Yes, we are. Same story for the hazards here on the underside. Got both my flashers. Front marker, rear, and up here in the front. For brevity, here is the one I pulled out from the hazard light side. It's a similar form factor, just two pins. They're both on the same patent, this patent number 3218415. I bet if you look that up, that's probably a famous patent for, bimetallic strip or however this thing works. Anyways, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.
貴様の拳など顔どにも効かんわい。お前はもう死んでいる。何？もうは匠でギゼブ。